very first glance, you know this isn't just another EV. This is presence, sculpted in pure Audi form. That bold front, sharp, confident, futuristic, catches the light with every angle. The lines flow like liquid metal. From the striking grille design to the aerodynamic silhouette that screams power and elegance all at once. And those wheels? Rolling works of art, massive, intricate, and designed to look fast, even when standing still. The paint finish isn't just color, it's depth, it's richness, like liquid glass poured over steel. Move to the rear, and the Q6 e-tron leaves a lasting signature. The taillights stretch with precision, an unmistakable Audi light language that feels like it belongs to tomorrow. Step inside, and the world shifts. The cabin isn't just luxury, it's sanctuary. The seats wrap around you like they were made just for you, crafted in perfection, stitched with precision. Ahead, the dashboard stretches wide and seamless, technology woven into elegance. The infotainment, crisp, fluid, alive beneath your fingertips. Every swipe, every gesture, instant and intuitive. Controls glow softly, touch surfaces respond with finesse, and the entire cockpit feels like it anticipates your every move. You don't just sit in here, you command. It's not about driving a car, it's about experiencing a masterpiece. The silence of electric power, balanced with the thrill of instant torque, turns every road into your personal stage. And as you look around, as the light dances across every curve of the cabin, you realize this is Audi at its purest. Progressive, electric, emotional. The Q6 e-tron isn't just transportation, it's a statement. And once you see it, once you feel it, there's no going back.